friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today, being a Diwali special episode, let's make some amazing vegan besan ke laddu.
So first we're going to add a cup of besan to a pan and roast it for around 12 to 13 minutes on low to medium flame, and we're going to keep stirring this continuously so that it doesn't burn and the besan roasts evenly. The besan will start giving off its lovely fragrance and it'll change color slightly. So once we've roasted the besan for 12-13 minutes, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of vegan ghee to this and mix it really well with the roasted besan. So we're going to further cook this for 15 minutes on low to medium flame. And you got to keep stirring this continuously. Soon it'll start looking like molten lava. So the besan has changed color further and it'll start drying up by the end of 15 minutes. And post that, you can switch off your gas and keep the pan on your kitchen counter. Next to this, I'm going to add half a heaping cup of powdered raw sugar and 2 teaspoons of elaichi or cardamom powder. Now we can mix this really vigorously till the time the sugar melts into the besan and it all mixes up really well. At this point, if you feel your mixture has turned out too dry, you can always add in more melted ghee. And if you feel it's a little more runny than it should be, then you can add in some powdered sugar. Sometimes the besan absorbs more ghee while roasting and sometimes it absorbs less. So that can always be taken care of at this stage. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of chopped nuts that I've toasted in a preheated oven for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So I've used a mix of cashews, almonds and pistachios. We can mix the nuts well in this mixture. And it's time to start making our laddus or pedas, whatever we like. And our laddus are made. Now I'm going to garnish these with some toasted cashews. I'm going to stick half a toasted cashew on each laddu. So once these laddus cool down completely, they'll firm up and change texture. And our amazing besan ka laddus are ready. They tasted heavenly. And that's our gorgeous thali with besan ladoos in it.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and this video. If yes, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and have an amazing Diwali and a happy new year.